What if I told you that 90% of the dog owners who call me are stuck with damaged floors because they believed what a salesperson promised them when they were shopping at a big box store? Trust me, I've seen it happen over and over, and watching this video before you buy could be the difference between floors that last a decade and floors you're ripping out in 2 years. Finding the best flooring for dogs isn't just as simple as they make it sound. Coming up in this video, you're going to learn 3 critical things. First, which flooring is most durable for dogs, the kind that can handle scratches and is truly waterproof, not just water resistant. Second, which floors you should absolutely avoid with dogs, no matter what the salesperson promises you. And third, the best value option that won't break the bank, but will still give you floors that last for years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to buy and what to run from. Now here's something most people get wrong. They think luxury vinyl planks are automatically the best flooring for dogs, and that belief is costing homeowners thousands. Let me show you what I mean. See this water bottle? This is your dog's accident. Now watch what happens with this premium laminate floor. You see, the water just rolls right off of this laminate. This is exactly what you want to see from a waterproof floor. You want to make sure that the water does not get absorbed into the floor joints. And when it comes to scratches, it's even worse. Here's what most people don't realize. Just because the floor says waterproof on the box, it doesn't automatically mean it's going to resist scratches. There are 2 completely different things. I've seen waterproof floors that show every single scratch from your dog nails within months. And I've seen scratch resistant floors where the core swells up the second water gets in the seams. With dogs, you need a floor that does both. That's why we need to talk about what actually makes flooring dog-proof. Let's start with the technical stuff, but I'm going to keep it simple. When you're shopping for flooring, you're going to hear terms like scratch resistant and waterproof thrown around like they mean the same thing. They don't. Scratch resistant means the surface can handle your dog claws without showing visible marks, and waterproof means if your dog has an accident, the water won't penetrate through the joints and damage the core of the floor. You need both, but here's where it gets tricky. With luxury vinyl plank, the scratch resistance comes from something called a wear layer. That's the protective coating on top of the floor. If you're buying LVP, you need at least a 20 mil wear layer. Anything less than that and you're going to see scratches within a few months. And I've seen it happen firsthand. Now with laminate flooring, scratch resistance is measured by something called an AC rating. AC stands for abrasion class. For homes with dogs, you want to see an AC rating of 4. That's the gold standard. An AC 4 finish is hard enough that pet claws cannot physically scratch through it. I've installed these floors in homes with multiple large dogs and they still look brand new years later. But here's the problem. Companies use marketing terms that sound good but don't actually tell you if the floors will hold up. They'll say things like pet friendly or durable or built to last. Those words don't mean anything unless you see the actual specs. So always ask for the wear layer thickness on LVP and the AC rating on laminate. If they can't tell you, just walk away. Now let's talk about what you should actually buy. I'm going to rank these from worst to best based on what I've seen in real homes. The first floor you need to avoid is builder grade engineered hardwood. I know it looks nice in the showroom, but if you have dogs, don't do it. These floors are usually really thin and they scratch very easily. I've had so many clients with builder grade hardwood call me because you can see every scratch on the floor. One family had 2 dogs and within a year, their floors looked terrible. We ended up ripping it all out and upgrading them to laminate. That's an expensive mistake you want to avoid. The second floor you should avoid is cheap, low quality LVP flooring. And this is where a lot of people get fooled. They think luxury vinyl plank is automatically the best option for them because of all the deceptive marketing. But unless you purchase high quality LVP, most products that companies sell are cheap and low quality. The locking mechanism breaks, the wear layer is too thin, and you end up with gaps and scratches everywhere. So if you're going to go with LVP, it has to be a quality product. That brings me to the middle tier option. If you insist on LVP flooring, go with something like Mohawk PureTech or Mohawk SolidTech. These are Mohawk's luxury vinyl plank flooring options. Make sure you get at least a 20mm wear layer with an overall thickness of 5mm thick. These floors are waterproof and they have a strong locking mechanism. They're not my top recommendation, but if you really want vinyl, this is the way to go. Now here's my number one choice, and this is what I put in 90% of the homes I work on. Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate Flooring. This is the best option because of how hard the finish is. It has an AC4 rating, which means no pet claws can scratch this floor. I've tested it, I've installed it, and I've seen it hold up in real homes with dogs for years. The Revwood line is also waterproof from the top down. That means if your dog has an accident, the water will not penetrate the joints. It sits on top and you just wipe it right up. No damage, no swelling, and no problems. Based on my experience, Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate has the strongest scratch resistance of any floor I've worked with. And that's why it's my top recommendation for dog owners. Now let's talk about price, because I know that's something on your mind. Builder grade engineered hardwood runs around $8 to $12 a square foot installed. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the problem. If you have to replace it every 3 to 5 years because it's covered in scratches, that adds up fast. You're spending thousands of dollars over and over again. That's not a budget-friendly long-term option. Cheap LVP runs around $4 to $8 a square foot installed. Sounds like a deal, right? But if the locking mechanism fails or the wear layer is too thin, you're looking at gaps, buckling, and scratches within 1 to 3 years. Then you're paying to rip it out and start over. Quality LVP like Mohawk PureTech or SolidTech runs around $8 to $12 a square foot installed. That's a solid option if you really want luxury vinyl plank. Then you have Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate, which runs around $10 to $14 a square foot installed. Yes, it costs a little more up front, but this floor is going to last you 10, 15, even 20 years with dogs in the house. No scratches, no water damage, no replacement costs. So when you look at it in that way, spending more up front actually saves you thousands of dollars down the line. Plus, you don't have to deal with the stress of damaged floors. So let me give you the exact products I recommend. My number one choice is Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate. This is the floor I trust the most based on hundreds of installations. The AC4 finish is harder than any pet claw, and the waterproof feature means accidents don't turn into disasters. Mohawk has different lines within the Revwood collection, so you can pick the style and color that fits your home. They all have the same exact scratch resistance and the waterproof performance. Now, if you really want the luxury vinyl plank, go with Mohawk's PureTech or Mohawk SolidTech lines. Make sure it has at least a 20mm wear layer. These are high quality LVP products that won't fail on you. The locking mechanism is strong, the waterproof warranty is solid, and they'll hold up to dogs much better than the cheap stuff. I recommend these specific brands because I've personally installed them in hundreds of homes. 90% of our clients have dogs, so I've seen firsthand what holds up and what doesn't. This isn't just a theory. This is based on years of real installation experience in real homes with real dogs. Let me paint you a picture. I had a client who had builder grade engineered hardwood floors. They had 2 dogs, and after just 3 years, you could see every single scratch on the floor. It looked terrible. They were so frustrated because they thought they made a smart choice. We ripped it all out and installed Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate. That was years ago. I checked in with them recently and their floors still look brand new. No scratches, no damage, nothing. That's the difference between choosing the right floor and choosing the wrong one. So when I tell you that choosing the best flooring for dogs matter, I'm not just making that up. I've seen what happens when people make the wrong choice. And I've seen what happens when they make the right one. If you install Mohawk Revwood Premium Laminate in your home today, here's what your floors are going to look like. In 2 years, they'll still look like new. In 5 years, no scratches, no water damage. In 10 years, they're still holding up like the day you installed them. That's the kind of investment you want to make. Now look, I just told you that laminate is my top recommendation for dogs, but you need to make sure it fits your budget. In my next video, I break down a real laminate quote line by line so you can see exactly what it costs. Trust me, watching that next could save you from making a costly mistake. Watch my next video before you make any decisions.